And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 114. Let me show the face reshape options. It's some more face retouching and inbuilt functions available in CapCut directly. Just activate your clip in the timeline, then go to video retouch, close the drop down here for retouch, and there you should find the auto reshape. Make sure that single person is active, but you can apply it to a group. And then make sure that face is highlighted. Then you will see the face adjustment sliders. Some of them are pro features, keep that in mind, they're going to cost you credits. But it's possible to make some good adjustments with it, to the cheekbones, the hairline, the jaw. You can add a V-shape and then generally slim the face down and even compress it a little bit. And it's actually pretty stable. Let me add the original, and you can see here if we compare it to the original, it's a huge difference. Once more, you can find it under video retouch, scroll a little bit to auto reshape, and there you have these face adjustment options. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.